Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my washing machine. Is Whirlpool American Standard. It's very good. Here the pot we put the soup here, and this is the plate that we put the spoon, everything. And clean very good, dry, very good clean. This is what I use for my baby formula powder, nipple. Yeah, clean very good. It's a shiny, you see, look good. It looks good. I use this for 4 years now. It's really good. Don't make me any problem. Here very clean. This one we need to clean. Yes. This is the space inside. Yes, outside. Looks really clean. Can put in this if you want. I like it. I use it like I use it like not every day. I do like every 2 days. So I can put this until full, and I wash one every day, not one every 2 days, not every day. Because I have a nursery, so I don't use the water too much. I just clean it normal and put it. I use only for the I'm going out only. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.